I'm Jacquie Beyer. I am a district manager in the Midwest region, and I am so lucky to be a part of the Hora del Café network here. I hope that you have been enjoying this Latinx month and all of the wonderful food and recipes that we've been bringing you. I am here to add a compliment to all of the delicious food that you've been eating, and that of course is a classic margarita, right? We all need that refreshment, especially as we kind of end the summer here. So believe it or not, a margarita is super simple to make. You essentially really only need 3 ingredients. So let's begin. I like to start with getting the garnish ready to go first. So we're just going to slice some limes that we're going to use to garnish the cup later. Doesn't have to be fancy. And I'm going to continue to slice the lime that I'm going to use to line the rim of the cup. So here is your margarita glass. This is very like what your preference is. Some people love to salt the rim, some people don't like to salt the rim. I like to salt the rim, so I'm going to show you how to do that. You line the cup here with your lime. I'll do both cups here. And then you're going to dip your glass into the salt. Kind of mix it around here. And there you go. You've got your salted rim. We'll do the second one. And the quantities that I'll be using today are for 2 glasses, okay? So there you go. All right. So you've got your shaker. And you're going to start out with about 4 ounces of lime juice for 2 margaritas. So you're going to pour that into your shaker filled with ice. So I already had ice added to the shaker. Then you're going to add your tequila. And what I'll say before I add the tequila about the lime juice is that you can use just like a basic lime juice. You can squeeze fresh limes. That's always delicious. If you choose to go that route, I would add like a simple syrup or like a sugar that you make to sweeten it up just a little bit. So just a pro tip there on the lime juice. Then you're going to add the tequila, the best part. Again, you can use whatever kind you'd like, or any non-alcoholic version that you'd like as well. And again, we're going to throw a couple of shots in there for 2 margaritas. All right, then you're going to add triple sec. And triple sec will actually add like that kind of slight orange zest flavor that you get when you taste a margarita. All right. And this gets basically like a half a shot. It looks like a full one here because we're doing 2. If you like a very sweet margarita, you can also add agave to it. And I like to do that sometimes too, just depending on what mood I'm in. So just like a little spritz of not really spritz, but a small pour of agave. And then, this is the best part, you gotta shake it up. So make sure you give it a nice shake. And I have my shaker top behind me. And of course you gotta ice in your glasses here. So let's throw some ice into the glasses. A little bit more. Not too much ice now, right? And pour. and enjoy. Let's get that nice garnish on there with your lime. Cheers, guys. Refreshing and delicious. I hope you've been enjoying, and look forward to seeing all of the comments for what you've enjoyed this month and what you want to see next. So cheers, and we'll see you soon. Done.
Gracias, Señor.
Nuestra Mesa.